Welcome back to the All Wheels Down channel. That's a dumb name for a channel, but that's what we're going with for now. My name is Steve, and we're going to take another look at the current state of the stereo system we have here at the house. Previously, you've probably seen some of this gear, but I'm going to show it again because we have this Carver M500t amp, and we had that sent away to Nelion. It's a company in Michigan who restores these, and they also do the Mark II upgrades, and that's what we had done to this one. And in a couple minutes, I'm going to show a clip of it playing. Now, the lights you see here, if you're contemplating having this done, these are the warm white lights. Okay, and right now I have that hooked up in a weird configuration. I have it going through this NAD preamp, but also it loops through my Marantz 2235B, because otherwise I don't get that good loudness effect that I like and that warm sound from the Marantz. Still using the Blue Sound node. However, I did order a Weem Ultra. I'm going to be trying that out in a few days. Maybe I'll post my results from that. Of course, our Klipsch Forte 2 speakers. The Technics turntable here, I think it's a 1500C. Pretty nice turntable. And so now I'm going to play a little clip through the Carver amp after it's been rebuilt, redone, and restored. All those things and more. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and remember, keep all wheels down. Whatever that means.